You know, you go into the break room on any given day, and you'll find Editor Clint and the Burninator back there playing video games. And, sometimes I'll give them a little bit of a hard time about getting carpal tunnel syndrome because they're back there just like this the whole time. Now, there's actually more of a reason to think that maybe there's more of a problem than just carpal tunnel thumb.
Yes, in fact,
could be something big.
You as parents out there, something to consider too, as far as limiting your children who play video games, because now it looks like playing video games can actually become addictive. The problem with the video games is kind of the way they're structured. You actually never win them, at least most games you don't. They just take you up to level after level after level, and therefore you're hooked for hours of playing these games. And then another thing is that studies suggest that the brain actually releases dopamine.
Yeah, which is an amphetamine, which is, basically a drug that can be addictive. And an addiction consultant says coupling that with the games that prompt you to try to get better and better is what makes gaming so dangerous and makes people like the Burninator maybe sometimes dysfunctional at his job.
Thousands of dysfunctional people.
Exactly.
One of them right there.
Yeah, we spotted you. And honestly, I'm not saying these guys have a problem, but I'm also not saying they don't have a problem.
Yeah, we're just going to say perhaps something they should look at.
But anyway, they're really saying dopamine, and it could be literally addictive.
All right, time right now is 7:40. And if